Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a super exciting one. These are always my favorite videos to film because it is it is our Boxycharm video, and you know these are my favorite videos to film. So if you want to see what we got in this month's box, then just go ahead and keep watching. So I've already taken a peek. That's why it will not close, because it's like it fits perfectly in there, and then as soon as I open it, put it all back in, it doesn't work anymore. It's just like when you pack for a trip, everything fits in perfectly, then when you try and pack it back up, nothing fits, and you have to take out like half of your clothes. Anyway, so I've already opened up the box to see what I need to apply to my face and what I need to wait on. So let's go ahead and open it up. So the first thing that I see is our card. So I guess this month's theme of the box is eye candy. I didn't see another type of card in here, so I'm guessing this is it. This is a different kind of card than we normally get. Oh, it is. This is so much cuter. I love it. It's like a little fold up. That's super cute. Anyway, so this month's theme is eye candy, and it's got, you know, some beautiful ladies on it, and then it's also got, you know, all the products in the description and the price and stuff like that of everything. So that's super cool. I'll keep this next to me for price updates and stuff like that. So the first thing that I see in the box is Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It's this vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask. So it's got a little thingy on it. I'm obviously not gonna do this right now because I'd have to have no makeup on. But let me just see how it feels. Ooh, it's got little beads in it. When they pop and then it turns blue, it's fine, all good. Smells like mint, that's good. So let me read about this product. This product is $47, and it says this award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, clogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. I need it 100%. So glad I got that in the box. That's expensive. Oh my gosh, $47 is pretty expensive. So the next thing in the box is this. I'm so excited we got this in the box. It is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and I've already opened this. The only thing is I'm pretty sure this is the darker of the two shades, and I'm not gonna be able to use this because I'm very pale. Yeah, so this is very dark, like it's like my bronzer color. Let me see if I can show you. Like, that's like my bronzer shade. That would not be a liquid highlighter for me. I don't use liquid highlighters often anyway because I'm so oily. So liquid highlighters are usually to mix in with your foundation or to put at the top of your cheekbones. It's a good highlighter. To put on the top of your cheekbones before, you know, powder and stuff. I don't really find much use for that because I'm just gonna put powder over anyway. So, but I'm kind of bummed this isn't my shade, but I'll give it to mom, see if she likes it. This is $29. It says glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Wish I would have gotten the lighter of the two shades, but this is a really good thing to get in the box. Okay, so the next thing is this guy. This is the first thing we're actually gonna be trying on our face because the other two things I couldn't do because one was too dark, one was a mask. So this is the first thing we're gonna be actually putting on, and it's the Brow Gal Instant Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. I love everything about that. This is $22. So this is a brow gel. Don't try this at home, kids. So this is the brow gel. So I've already filled in my eyebrows, but I didn't set them with powder so that I could try this guy out. Gal out. I'm done. That joke is dead. So this is in the shade Brown Hair, which is perfect because I have brown hair. So this is the packaging, Brow Gal, and then this is what the applicator looks like. Can you see it? Is it focusing? Probably not. Probably not with my luck. Anyway, and I'm going to apply this to my brow hairs. Let's see how this works. did a pretty fine job, if I do say so myself. It really filled in any sparse areas that were in my brows, and it's not sticky or anything. Maybe it'll dry sticky, I'm not sure. But so far, I'm really liking this. And did I tell you how much this product was? Did I even tell you anything about it? Yes, it did. $22. $22. So that's awesome. Okay, so the next product is probably my favorite product in the box this month. This is just why I love Boxycharm so much. Like, you can almost count on every single box that you get getting some kind of eyeshadow product, and y'all know that's all I'm about is eyeshadow. So I'm gonna show you what we got next. This is the You Had Me at Hello palette from ColourPop, and I'm just gonna open this and show you the colors. Like, I'm obsessed with this palette and the colors. I've wanted this palette for a while. I just never got around to getting it. It's super inexpensive anyway. That's another thing about ColourPop, is it's basically a high-end brand for a super inexpensive price. This palette is $18, so we get it in the box, but it's super inexpensive anyway, and I highly recommend picking up any of their palettes. I have tons of them. So I know the shadows are good. I know they're good quality. I don't have this one though, and I'm so excited to use this on the eyes today. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use it on the eyes today. I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like more up close. So beautiful. So beautiful. I'm obsessed. So I've already actually set my lids with a bone colored shadow, primed them, everything like that before I started filming. So we're gonna go right in with some shadows. I'm not sure what I want to do today. I don't know if I want to go for more of like a cool tone look and like do this one on the lid, like maybe a halo eye or something. I don't know if I want to use like this purple. I don't know. Okay, I've got it. I've got what we're gonna do. So first we're gonna go in with this shade right here. It is called Fool's Rush, I'm guessing. And so I'm just gonna take this shade and I'm gonna plop it into the crease. So pigmented. I expected nothing less. Shadows are so good, y'all, and so inexpensive. Like, can't even tell you. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I can't get over it. Okay, I've got that shade in. I'm now gonna take, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade right here, plop that in the crease as well, just a little bit lower than that first shade. It is so much harder for me to blend on this side than it is on this side. I have no idea why, but it is. Winston, hey, stop. You're scaring me. So I film on my porch, my indoor porch. So I have this beautiful wooden panel background. First of all, it's hot. There's no air conditioning out here. The fan doesn't work, and it's right outside. Well, one of the walls is completely paneled with windows, and so at night when I film, it like bugs hit it, and it sounds like people are outside, and probably people are watching me. I don't know, but it freaks me out. So not a fan at all. So yes, I've got those two colors on. Now I'm gonna take this purple shade, and I'm gonna put this on my inner and outer corners to deepen up those areas, and then we're gonna do another shade in the middle. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Such a beautiful shade. Oh my gosh. So now before I apply the middle shade, I'm gonna take that first crease brush we used and I'm just gonna blend all of this out. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shade right here called Look, see, I haven't been saying the shade names, my bad. But I'm probably just gonna end up taking it on my finger just because I don't have much luck with shimmer shades and brushes. This is a lot more of a satin color than I thought it was gonna be, so I might end up taking some of the brighter shades and adding it on top. So I'm gonna end up taking this first shade, which is Candy Graham. That's so cute. Okay, so now I'm just basically gonna repeat the exact same steps under my lower lash line, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished up my eyes. I just did the same thing that I did on my upper lid to my bottom lid. I added a little bit of that lightest sparkly shade to my bottom in the middle, inner corners, brow bone, that type of thing. So we only have one more product left, and the last product is this Ades New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick in this color. Oh, y'all, it's right up my alley. So this is the shade. Let me swatch it for y'all. Oh, it's stunning. I swatched this a little bit earlier on my hand just to see what it looks like. And the only thing is it says it's a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't dry down at all. It stays glossy. So that's a little confusing. Not really sure what that's about, but the color is stunning and I don't mind it not being a liquid lipstick. I like glossy lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and then I'll close out this video. This also smells like cupcakes, like straight up buttercream frosting. All right, so I've applied the lip. This is one that I'm next time gonna absolutely need to use a liner for because it's more of a lip gloss. It's kind of hard to, it gets messy really easily. So let me just wipe off this swatch with my shirt because I have no class. So yes, this is the gloss, the lipstick, and this retails for $24. Okay guys, so these are all of the products on my face, minus the two that were not able to be put on my face at the time. But this is probably one of my favorite boxes that we've ever gotten. I loved the brow gel, I loved the lip and the palette. Y'all already know I'm obsessed. I love ColourPop palettes. Probably the best brand to get very good quality for a very inexpensive price. They're my go-to brand for basically anything. They're incredible, love them, and it's so cool that Boxycharm was able to put their brand in their box this month. So yes, the overall value is over $140 this month, and y'all already know I say it in every single video, but this box is the best subscription box out there. It's $21. You get way more than what you pay for it in the box every single month, and there's always good products. You're never going to be disappointed, and it is just the best box ever. I love it. I always look forward to getting it, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like this look that I created. I really like it. I'm feeling it. And anyway, if you guys like this video, please, 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 please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends. Tell everyone about my channel. The more subscribers, the better. I love you guys. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Ashley, you're my #1 supporter. I love you. I love you so much. But anyways, yes, leave any video requests that you have down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!